guys, and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with cosplay twist, but today is a continuation of my World Cup flag series because I will finish this series, even though the World Cup is technically over. So, today we're doing an English flag makeup, so let's do it. So to start off, I'm going to be applying a red eyeshadow all over my lid. Now, if you've seen the English flag, which, by the way, is not the one with the red, white, and blue and the thing, and yet, no. That is the Union Jack, and apparently that's not the official flag of England. Found that out when I was doing this. You're probably wondering why I'm putting red all over my eye when the flag is primarily white. That is because I wanted to do something a little different. I've tried putting white all over my eye and making anything look decent, and it doesn't work that way. So I decided to do something a little different so you still get kind of the gist of it. So like I said, I'm applying red all over, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Now on to the fun part. So I'm gonna be applying dots basically everywhere. I left out a space for the cross. Like I said, if you've seen the official English flag, it's a red cross on a white background. So to kind of make this a little bit more pleasant to the eye, I'm going to be doing a bunch of dots and leaving out a negative space for where the red cross would normally be. Now, you want to make sure to keep these dots pretty close together so that way it's a little bit easier to see what you're doing. Not even so much what you're doing, but so that people can notice that it is in fact a flag. I wore this look to work, and a lot of people were like, "That looks super cool," and I was like, "Thanks, it's the English flag," and they're like, "Where?" So after work I actually went back and added a few more dots just a little bit closer together, and it actually did make a huge difference. You can definitely see it a lot better. So just keep that in mind while you're doing this. Also remember to take your time. Last thing you need is to do a huge glob of a dot and kind of mess up your look, because let's be honest, cleaning up messes when you're this deep in, a little annoying, but it is what it is. At least this one's not super complex, so that way if you do mess up, you can almost go in and fix it with a little bit of makeup remover. So once you have your dots on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I didn't want to do like an eyeliner or anything like that, and I wanted to give my lashes a little something, so I applied some lashes. If you guys want a full video, I will have it linked in the cards up above. I also did mascara. If you want to know why I do mascara after lashes, that video is up there for you. And then I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. I figured my eyes are pretty intense right now, so I wanted to do something basically not as intense, just because I wanted the focus to really be the eyes. But that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely had a lot of fun doing it, and this series in general. So if you guys did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to see what comes out of my channel next, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see. I'm always up for requests. See you guys next time. Bye.